take a look at how to make a bar graph. Well, when we're making a bar graph, we have to include all the parts. So when we're looking at this bar graph, what is it that I'm looking at? Well, I see some bars, I see some names, right? Mississippi, Ohio, Colorado, Delaware. I see numbers along the side. But what is it that I'm graphing? Could it be the length of the rivers? Because all of those are rivers. Mississippi River, is that 11 miles long? That doesn't seem right. Would the Ohio River be 4 miles long? No. What about population of each state? Does Mississippi have 11 people? 11 million people? 11,000 people? That doesn't seem right either. How about the number of times I've been to each state? Have I graphed my trips to Mississippi, Ohio, Colorado, and Delaware? Well, I have to tell you, I've never been to Mississippi or Colorado, so that's not it. What we need is a title to this bar graph and labels to know what it is we're looking at. Do you have any guesses? All right, I'll tell you. Here's our graph again. Oh, my video doesn't show you. The bottom part there says word, number, and my title says number of letters in each word. So the word Mississippi has 11 letters. The word Ohio has 11 letters. That's what I was graphing. So you see that titles and labels are important. When we're looking at this tally chart, we've got our information. We're going to take it and put it into the bar graph. So we need a title, we need labels, and we need our categories, just like we're looking at them in the tally chart. Then we have to decide on a scale. I'm thinking a scale of 2 is going to be a good one. Because when I look at soccer, I see those 12 tally charts, and that means my bar is going to go all the way to the 12. When I look at basketball, I see it's going to go to the 4, which is right there. And then baseball is going to go to 14. And then football. Well, football's 9. And 9 isn't 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10, right? So football is actually going to go halfway between 8 and 10. Because 9 is halfway between 8 and 10. That's how you turn a tally chart into a bar graph. Let's look at these. Spinner results. Again, we need a title. We need labels. We need our colors and our numbers. I decided on a scale of 4. Looking at my information, a scale of 4 is appropriate. So red, 5, 10, 15, 16. My red bar is going to go all the way up there. Yellow is going to go to 8, right there. Blue is going to go to 12. And green is at 10. But again, 10 is halfway between 8 and 12. So it goes halfway between the 8 line and the 12 line. You rock and you rule. Keep those things in mind when you make a bar graph.